So friend, this is a computer management video part 2 here in a conventional topic. So I'm already told you last video my part 1 computer management. What is a user? What is a some information I'm told you computer management. Watch my previous video and after watch these computer management part 2. So I'm continuing password technology and password some features. So how can we configure and how can we using this technology and my all video part was here. So let's start here. But never expires means you never expire your password. So this I'm click here and you can see change password. So user never changing password. I am set this password. That means this fixed password here. Okay. So password never expires means by default this tick mark this your uh, password never expired. These options you click on here. So by default 45 days yeah, this user policy. What is a policy of user policy, domain policy, different type policy available in computer, but I will discuss in pistol series what is a policy. Okay, so this password never expire work with only by password policy. So what is a password policy? What is a policy? How can we identify? So you window click, window press button and press R and right here GP. Okay, so you can see here this is a password policy. I will show you. So these are all of policy. This is a local group policy here. So this means local user group policy you can apply your in computer. So you can save. So how can we identify password never expires means and why password expired? So you can see here going to computer configuration, into administrative templates, and you can see here. So this is a we are using policy in user. So click on user configuration, public key policy. You can see a certificate different tabs here. So I will discuss in this all of window policies and options, why using policing, why using policy systems. So I will create a pistol series in my channels. Okay, so you can see here administrative templates and systems and different type policies available in your computer, and this is a very important system, very systems you can see here. Okay, so we are account policies. We are what is this account policy? Because we are create account, we are create to user. So account policy here you can see here nothing, and you can see here nothing with a password policy. So password policy means password related this policy, and you can see 42 days. Okay, maximum password age 42 days, and 42 days after you must change password. Okay, so this option you may click here, so you change your user automatically password, but you want to know this type policy apply on your user, and not need this type policy in your computer, because by default you install your operating system and this type policy available in your computer by your you create your operating system. So Windows operating system always check with policies and set by default 42 days. You can change here 42 days to 55, anything you can change. I will show you in some video, but I'm just talking about only for I'm just telling you why not click password never expire means password not never expired is mean that means this policy not apply this type, and I'm create this user and create this my user here. So you can see here my silver name user created, and this is a user. Okay, so how can we identify this is a local user? So this is a here you can see here what is a different group and what is a different. First we are check first, this is a two main type. You can see two type means, that means group means you can minimum two user connect, and maximum limit of your systems connected in your network. So group means your group discussion already know about what is a group discussion. So this facility is provided by Windows operating systems, and you can connect one computer to another computer in network, connect with a user to other users. Okay, remote management by default this type of group already created and by your operating systems. Okay, so we are talk about only for silver type main. So first we can see here this is a my main, and you can third my silver main type created already my operating systems user, you can see here. And first we are talk about silver. This is a silver user and sky. What is the difference sky and silver? Some already talk about sky. Sky is my main user of computer because this is a system boss user, and this is a local not user because this is all of permission setting changing, and this type user not setting changing because you may be changing, so need a administrator password and users. So without this is these user have not full permission because this is a local user. You can create a new user, right click and new user. So you can see properties and click on properties here, and first you can see set password. You can directly set password, you can direct with this type options password set here. So you may be change here, you click on password, click on proceed means this type password you can change here. Okay, so depend your systems and the system administrator tools different types. Okay, so you can see sky type and you know mid silver man and different types services in your computer. Okay, so first you can see just about talk about only we are silver type this man and working employee with my computer. So I'm never give blue sky and oh, uh, sorry, my meaning is sky user means administrator user. I never give this username password main administrator account. I'm just give only silver type local user, and local user give for using my computer. So any for your friend using your computer, so be careful not give your administrator account and not give administrator password because sometimes change they are set your different new settings. So that is one very important, and different type change your account password not set same type. So first you can see here okay, so I'm just not same set password. Okay, different type password using here. So administrative account different password and local account using different password, and you can delete here. Okay, you want change name, rename here. Okay, and click on help, so you can take help, and properties means properties. So properties inside different type I'm already talk about, but I'm just talk about general a member of and profile. So three type properties inside different type options available. So click on general and you can see here name, my username silver, and full name you can see here. And silver work with my account department in my company. So you can see here my account. I'm already talk about apply and okay. You can any change your computer. So click on apply and okay. So I'm already login in my administrator account, but not I'm connect in my local account. You want administrator account, So what is a member of? A member of means your this user member of local user. Okay, so this type. Okay, you can create your administrator account as a silver. This is sky type. Okay, so I can create a member new administrator account. You can create an so what is this so I will remove these users and I'm create this silver. I can create a new administrator account silver give permission. Okay, so that means silver user automatically make administrator account and access all of settings from here. So you can create a local user or administrator and both. So you check information, you check your need your expect your systems. So just talk about select options and you can what is a group. You can these locations here you can see. So this is a PC1 location inside this user work here. You connect other your in the network, so showing this tab here. Okay, so I'm just showing here and you can see first of advanced systems and you can see first PC and you can see just this tab and select group. So you can create a changing group and set a group. So I don't like this changing group and but I'm showing just only my aim only uh, you know how can we change local to main user account. So local to administrator account, click on find now and find now. After click on you can first find your administrator account. So this is you can see this is my administrator account and click OK and click on add. So that means your apply and click on OK. So that means this is a administrator account by default create already in my operating systems users and you can see here and this simple account convert in main administrator account you can see here. So local account to convert to your change you can change your local to administrator account I'm already told you. Find now click on here and I'm create a local and administrator account both. Okay, so you can see click on here and all of you can see this find now means this all of user different tab and group different tab you can see here. Okay, so this is a list of result and different tab. You see maybe you connect other your systems, what is the backup operators groups. So you can see these two type and administrators. So this is a very important. See this is showing cryptographic operators, guest user event. So every user particularly special working special performance special tasks for create this type already by Windows operating system this type user. Okay, so we are not working only other system, we are talk about only administrator and user. So administrator account is very important means and your user means your simple account and local account means local system using and Hyper-V administrator means this is Hyper-V technology using Hyper-V administrator. But I'm not talking about we are talking about administrator and users. So you can see both user you can create here, but I'm just giving advice only one you create your take systems here. So every computer in only one administrator account add here and the second is local computer local user here. Okay, this is a very important and keep your administrator account safe for and you use local account, but you want in changing anything you can see here apply and click OK. So that reason means this my user now main administrator account working as Sky. Okay, so I can create here profile. What is a profile? You can add your profile path means you can change your new add your txt type files for txt file type new information systems here. So you can add your profile path, means profile, give name, addresses here. Okay, so profile inside different tab, your employee, your login script using here. So you create different type scripting files, programming files here. So using logon scripting path give here, and home folder maybe using sometime, you create a different type local uh, folder and local using files. So you can add here, and click on, you create what is a group. So I'm already talk about, we are discuss, you can discuss in with between two computer connect one group inside. So default account already created, but this is a disable account, not using only, but you want you must remove these this type options. Okay, so click on and here, and take mark and apply. So that is using only for activate systems here. Okay, so account, and you can apply here and click on OK, but I am not interested because I'm already clear I'm my administrator account already created, you can see here, and I'm deleted my local account because I'm already created. So you can see here my created all of user account details in one file. So friends, in this computer management part 3 continue this next some information, and how can we using this computer management more information with more technologies. So continue with my this part 3. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, and click on like button for my motivation. So thanks for watching my video.